Edinburgh Gateway station is a rail station and interchange at Goga in Edinburgh, which opened on the 11th of December 2016. It is served by Scotrail and Edinburgh Trams, which serves both Goga and Edinburgh Airport, to which it's connected by the tram line. As part of the Strategic Transport Project Review, which plans what is going to happen in Scotland's transport over the next 20 years, 29 investment priorities were identified in support of the future growth of Scotland's businesses and communities. One of these was the construction of Goga Station for better access to Edinburgh Airport and onward travel on the Edinburgh Tram network, as well as the rest of the area through integration with the tram system. This may have to be compensated for the scrapping of the Edinburgh Airport rail link and the proposal, which was part of the original proposal. The station would also thought to be delivered soon after. So we'll get started here at Edinburgh Gateway with 158738, working the 1009 Scotrail service from Glenrothes with Thornton to Edinburgh Waverley. Crawling into the station and taking us by surprise is 170427, working the 1012 Scotrail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Arbroath via Lucas. Screaming around the corner for LNER is 800 101, working 1 Echo 11 from Aberdeen to London King's Cross. Making things a little easier for ourselves, we see the departure of 17409 with the 1017 Scotrail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Glenrothes with Thornton via Kirkcaldy. Creston Hill, we see the arrival of 17396, working the 1025 Scotrail service from Glenrothes with Thornton to Edinburgh Waverley. Next to pass through the station is 17403, working 2 Golf 23 from Edinburgh Waverley to Cowden Beef. Creston Hill running fast is 17470, working 2K48 from Glenrothes with Thornton to Edinburgh Waverley. Flying in the opposite direction for LNER is 800 108, working 1 Whiskey 02 from Leeds to Aberdeen. And making an appearance across country is 221127, working 1 Victor 60 from Aberdeen to Plymouth. Departing next for Scotrail is 174.50, working the LNER 1047 Scotrail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Inverness via Perth. Passing almost like clockwork is 174.29 and 158.732, working 2K09 from Edinburgh Waverley to Glenrothes with Thornton via Kirkcaldy and 2 Golf 52 from Cowdenbeath to Edinburgh Waverley respectively. Next to crest over the hill is 174.25, working the 1057 Scotrail service from Arbroath to Edinburgh Waverley. Going in the opposite direction is 173.96, working the 1059 Scotrail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Glenrothes with Thornton via Cowdenbeath. Running right on his heels, about 4 minutes early, is 221141, working 5 Alpha 06 from Craigentinny TRM SMD to Dundee. And here comes our train in the form of 158.723, working the 1112 Scotrail service from Glenrothes with Thornton to Edinburgh Waverley. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.